March 24th. I am with you here. Don't seek to know the future. With great mercy, I am hiding it from you. Faith is a priceless possession, not to be sacrificed in order to purchase knowledge. Faith itself is based on a knowledge of me. So remember that this evening time is not to learn the future, not to receive a revelation of the unseen, but to gain an intimate knowledge of me, which will teach you all things and be the very foundation of your faith.